should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
So guys, this is it all. I use airbrush legs on the lace. You can see, you guys know that's what I use. Let's brush it. I so much love this color, and it's so long, 28 inches. So I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. Let's see. So you guys can see that I did not twist the hairline. That is because I don't want to bring out baby hairs. If I want to bring out baby hairs, I will. What's this? Okay. If I want to bring out baby hairs, I'm going to twist it a little so that the hairline can look more natural. But it came already quick up because I just want to drop the hair like that, slick like that. You can see. So let me cut the excess lace. Okay. I'll first of all cut it from the ear side. From here. I have a video showing how I cut excess lace from my wig. If you're interested, I'm going to leave the link here so that you can watch it. How I cut my excess lace. So guys, I'm just going to cut this off. To my ear side. If you're not free in doing this, put a mark, then bring it out, then cut it off your head. Okay, in case if you're scared. I know initially if it is your first time doing it, it's kind of scary. You'll be like, I hope I'm not going to cut myself. You understand that feeling of not cutting yourself? Even me, sometimes I'm afraid doing this. Alright. See how much hair I remove from that. You see, because it's supposed to be at the back of your ear. So I'm just going to cut this. You can see here. You glue this down, you glue this down. Normally I'm supposed to glue this down. Okay, if I want to bring baby hair out, I'm going to glue all this down here as well. because it's from ear to ear. And don't forget, like I said, also you can pack this ponytail because there is a lace at the back. Okay, but because I don't want to go through that, I don't want to glue it down, because you guys have seen so many videos how I glue my hair, my wigs down, and how I do my baby hairs. I just want to, since the sun is hot, I just want to carry it like this. So what I'll do, so I'm just going to put little gel here to hold that center down so that they don't see it lifting up. This is my styling gel. This styling gel in my hand, just little, and I'll put it in front like this, just this front. Then I'll tack it down. Because the sun is hot, I don't need to glue my hair down while the hair will be melting. You know, when you're sweating with all this glue, it will be melting. Alright guys, so that is all I need to do. If you notice these days, I don't wear falsies and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, all these falsies wahala. So I'm still going to put here little, like I said. Okay, because those are the areas they will see since my hair is down like this. So that is why I am putting in those areas. Okay, here like this. Alright, that is all. So that's the trick you do in this summer with this hot sun. Oh, I don't fit for trouble. I don't fit for trouble at all. See? So this is it. I'm going to apply cream. Should I apply? Okay, I'm going to put this olive oil hold and shine wrap set mousse on the hair. This is just to smooth the hair, make the hair so smooth and sleek. Then I'm going to put little of my wax stick in the middle. Okay. Then after that, I have this oil with me. This oil, I'm going to apply little. I don't want it too shiny, so I'm just going to. It's almost gone. It's not even coming at it. Okay, as small as this. Can you guys see it? So I'm just going to rub that all through my hair. Wow. You see that? How sleek. If you love straight hair, you're going to like this wig. And I like it that it's so long. So long. I see my bra is showing now. I like that it's so long. This hair is so smooth. Wow. Now I'll take my straightener. This is just extra. I'm going to know this hair is very straight and it's smooth. I don't think I need this. Let me go back so that you guys can see the length. See this? Let me go back again. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I don't really need this. I'm just being extra. Just being extra. So in case you're wondering, this wig is from AliExpress Isee hair. So I'm going to leave the details about this wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. They did everything for you. You can see the shop, the side. I did not do anything. I will stand up for you guys to see the hair. One thing I like with this hair, you can see see how it's shining. The quality is really good. You can see the color. I love the color. Oh, the length is another thing. And the other thing I like as well, if you want to glue it down, you can glue it down. If you don't want to glue it down, you saw what I did. You just do it that way, and that is it. You're good to go. Especially this summer, I don't like gluing my hair down because of heat. You understand? So you just do your hair this way, and you are good to go. All right. So I will leave the link to it on the description box. So if you're interested, check it out. That is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, please.